So a couple of friends have been asking, how's the Chinese diesel heater? I've had it for probably 2 years now, so I thought I'd do a wee video. So this is the remote you get with it. Old tickety boot, Bluetooth, connecting please wait. So the van's out in the driveway obviously, out there. So it's saying temperature's 13 because it's been running for a wee while. I set it to 32, you could set it up or down. Press OK again. Casing temperature is 135 degrees, which is fine. And the battery voltage is 30.5 because it's currently on charge and hookup. Let's go and have a wee nosy. Oh, and it's so toasty in here. Oh dear. Oh, let's put the spotlights on. Oh, so as you can see there, running away fine. And I press the remote control. It connects obviously like it did from the house. If I press it up, down or temperature, it goes up there as well. See that? So I'm pressing it down and it's going down there. 32, 31, and down there is the outlet. Oh dear. And there, I'll see it now, because it's night time. It's on in bra. So yeah, it's Chinese diesel here. Can be more happy with it.